Hello, welcome to this primer on discussion forum of IIT Bombay's platform. Discussion forum, as you know, is an integral part of any MOOC which allows you to interact not only with the peers who are learning with you, but also with the instructors, and therefore, this is an important way of communication. In this session, we will try and explore how to interact on this forum and get into details of posting, reading, commenting, or even editing our own posts. Let us just go to the platform and start exploring. On the platform, just to the tab of the course which is written on the left hand side, you will see a tab called discussion. Clicking on this will open the discussion forum for you. The moment you open, the scene looks something like this, where you will see all topics on the left hand side and add a post or search the post on the right hand side. We will come to that later, but let us just start with the all topics. The grey portion below all topics lists all the topics available in that particular course. These will come by default, and clicking on any one of this will open the discussion which are happening in that particular thread. As you can see, it starts with a header which tells you the title of this particular topic, followed by the matter or the content of that particular post. As you can see, it can have images, text in various formats, and this can be scrolled down so to see the additional posts done by various people on this particular thread. As you go down, you will come to a point where the threads are over, and then you get a box to post your query. This is titled as add a response. Clicking on that will get you to a text box where you can actually type in your text. Remember to use the formatting features available here, such as font, bold, italics, bulleting, and adding links or hyperlinking as required. Make full use of these features to make your post as clear as possible and as readable as possible. Once you are satisfied, click on submit, which will be then appearing inside this particular thread. When you see a particular thread on the left hand side panel, you would be curious to know what is this particular number which is written next to it. Well, this number is about the number of posts in that particular thread. Once you see that, this particular information tells you the post which has maximum interactions in it. This can be sorted easily by the drop down on the top, which currently would be on the recent activity probably. If you click on that triangle there, it will open up a drop down which will tell you that you can sort it by various ways, such as by recent activity or by most activity or by most votes. These kind of filterings are very important when you are in a particular course where the interactions are centered around a focused question. If you have a focus question where everyone is supposed to respond and you have to read through that, this particular sorting will help you to see which is the recent one which is posted by the course instructors or the course staff. So, use this filtering wisely in order to interact in a better manner. Apart from sorting, at times you would be requiring searching within the post to get to the exact post what is required. For this, the platform offers a search option. The right hand top has a particular box titled as search all posts and a button for search. You can type keywords such as courseware or a particular keyword within that course to find that particular post. After you type your keyword, hit on the search. Right now I am clicking a keyword called courseware. This will show me the posts which are created by the staff to run the particular course. All these posts under the tag of courseware will be seen on the left hand side, where you can go through them one by one. Further, in order to sort them more clearly, we have a drop down on the left hand side. If you click on that, you will see the posts which can be sorted as per unanswered or unread, and so on and so forth. This will enable you to get to the required post in the fastest possible manner. Finally, let us also have a look at the particular action which every discussion forum user would be looking forward to: adding a post. Click on the button add a post, which is very prominently placed on the platform header, by which you will actually get a window. The window will show you an option whether the post you want to make is a question or it is a discussion that you want to start. After you select one of them, the platform will ask you the topic on which you want to post this particular comment. It will show you the course content which has been discussed so far in the course, and by clicking that particular name of the topic, it will indicate to the readers that your post belongs to this topic, and so it will be easily traceable for anybody who is looking for content on that particular topic. Once you have selected the topic around which this post is going to be created, the platform will provide you an option to give an appropriate title. This is very important, and please avoid vague titles such as a query, a question, or actually some posts that we have seen without a title. This only makes it non-communicative, and the readers are not able to find any clue about what this content is all about. Give a specific title, and the box below will allow you to type in your post. Here, use the formatting options available on the top to make it bold or any other thing, or add links, add images. And finally, before posting, check the preview which is available just below. Once you are satisfied with the preview, decide whether you want to follow this discussion so that you can get the updates ready for you to comment on. In cases where you want to post something anonymously, the option is available there. You have to click on that for posting anonymously, and once you are satisfied with the look and feel and the settings of the post, you can hit submit. The moment you hit submit, it will go ahead and start displaying under that particular thread. As mentioned earlier, discussion forum is an important ingredient of any MOOC in order to interact with the peers as well as with the instructors. Some quick tips before we end this session: look for the staff tag when you read a post for the authenticity, because it means that this particular post is created by a staff member. It could be an instructor or a teaching associate. That will only tell you that the content is authenticated. Also remember to visit the discussion forum frequently during the course, so that you can see and read about what the peers are saying as well as what the instructors are saying. Thirdly, be positive and constructive while responding to others, and avoid abusive or negative language. Finally, treat this medium as a communication channel because it allows everything at one place. For example, the content, the instructors and the peers are available for the discussion. Use this to maximize your learning. Thank you.